Amagosa endlela kunye namalungu enkonzo yesipolisi eBuffalo City avala indlela eAmalinda eMonti namhlanje. Ezi zezinye zeenzame zabo zokwenza inkqubo zokuxhobisa abaqhubi ezindleleni ngokubaluleka kokulandelwa kwemithetho yendlela. Le nkqubo ijolise ekulweni amanani aphezulu eengozi ngexesha lePasika. Intloko yenkonzo zendlela kulo masipala uQuinton Chetty uthi abaqhubi mabalucwangcise uhambo lwabo.
Plan your trip properly. Without planning your trip properly, you might deviate from somewhere else. So we ask motorists to be careful when they're using the road. And that's our plea, because we don't want fatalities too many.
Uchethi uthi ukuqhuba phantsi kwempembelelo zotywala ngomnye unobangela weengozi ezindleleni.
Safety belts and drunken driving and speed. That is the contributing factors in this. And we're saying that we're going to look at that this Easter weekend. But that's always our priority, is to save lives. And these three main priorities is, like I said, buckle up, don't drink and drive, and also don't speed, because speed kills. As you heard, last week we caught a person that's driving double in a 60 kilometer zone, 103 kilometers per hour. And that person was arrested.
Uthi abaqhubi nabo mabathathe uxanduva lokukhusela ubomi babo, balandele imithetho yasezindleleni, kungenjalo baza kujongana nengalo yomthetho.
We're not going to hesitate. We're going to prosecute you. If you drive, we're going to arrest you. If you're driving inconsiderate, we're going to arrest you and we're going to take you. And I don't think it's a good feeling. But that is the word out there. Because as much as we have to comply, everybody have to comply with the laws. Those that are non-compliant, especially young youth, that are very reckless on the road, that are dicing on the road, that are spinning on the road, that will not be tolerated by traffic and all the law enforcement agencies.
Uchethi ugqibelise ngelithi unethemba lokuba baza kusebenzisana nabaqhubi ukuze kungabikho bantu baphulukana nobomi ezindleleni. Ndinguyamkela Mchiyo kwindaba ze-MPK eMonti.